Falls Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm just on my way to Martins Creek on the Hunter line. Beautiful rural area.
Hey guys, Martins Creek trains on location here. I'm currently on a Hunter.
That's just for Martins Creek, please alight from the middle two doors only.
Hey guys, Sydney Trains on location here. I'm currently on a J set heading into Martins Creek Station.
I'm here at Martins Creek.
Here is the platform. As you can see, we are basically
And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Martins Creek. Hunter set J number 3, the Baby Oscar. Hunter set J3, the Baby Oscar, now departing platform number 1, Dungog service. They'll be stopping all stations to Dungog. Set J3. This train will be stopping at Hilldale, followed by Walla Waba, Willagalla, and followed by Dungog. Just going to give you guys a pan of Martins Creek. That's the only platform. On the screen here is Sydney Trains on location. We have transport vlogs for Sydney and James, the trainer, just coming on the screen right now. This heading towards Maitland and Hamilton. And screen over here. This heading to this direction heads towards Dungog, and XPT trips to Grafton, Casino and Brisbane. Just give you guys a walkthrough of the immediate area. I'm just running on for a freight service operated by 6MB4. Here's the 1 number. That is your temporary speed restriction sign of 60 kilometers per hour. We are currently located 218.665 kilometers away from Central. Here's a very interesting station sign. In the 2000 City Rail era. Judging by the real screw, we have a possibility freight movement coming around the bend at Martins Creek, and the level crossing has just been activated. The 1 number is 6BM4. NR89 leading, followed by AN2 and NR79. So once again, the 1 number for this service is 6BM4. Correction, ladies and gentlemen, since it was my first time announcing a freight one number, the one number is actually 6MB4, not 6BM4. Just a correction there, the one number is actually 6MB4. We have NT35, the Grafton XPT passing platform 1 at Martins Creek. XP2000 leading locomotive. XP2014 trailing. Fun fact about XP2000. XP2000 is the first XPT power car to enter service during the early 1980s. We have J3 returning to Martins Creek for a Hamilton service. J3 is a set going to Hamilton. Anyway guys, it's time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.